Hang on, face the public.
Fucking face nothing.
This is unfair. For corn.
Right in the belly button.
Okay. Oh, we should record it. We should record it and then put it in slow motion.
No.
Yeah, let's get the GoPro here.
Oh, joy.
Jump above.
Oh.
Oh.
Like half blind. Get it all in there. You're getting recorded here, Connor?
Alright.
Oh, right.
Instant replay.
On the GoPro.
Oh, no way. That wasn't nice. No more half blind.
I have to go. That's like.
Josh, slow motion.
What's more blood?
What? No. Hey man.
Other way? No, this way hurts more. Alright, go.
Oh, what is that? Yeah. Connor. Connor, see your left hand? Yeah, I know. That one just hurt, like a previous goal got.
Oh. Okay. You were getting it?
It's always
Oh,
fun.
okay, yeah, I'm
It's
good.
always in the last one.
That's not like we deliberately do it.
Oh, why? Here. Switching up.
Far back. I'm not doing the fucking armpit again, like.
That's
Better us, I think that's.
Did you not see the bruise?
Yeah! It wasn't a bruise, it was the blood. All over yourself.
Better us.
Shoot the tiger. Look at that pussy. Pushing.
Here, kill it.
He's not a wolf, no? Yeah, that's what I see, I know Arnold. There you go. Oh, okay. Right, I can show a documentary shape or something on Jumanji. Wouldn't it be better if he flew out? Or not. Alright, this is fine, lovely.
Last one.
Whatever.
Stop the head.
I think I know.
Oh no, not the head.
You don't have to do it if you don't want to. Right?
Oh, I do.
One. That's where you draw the line.
Yeah, not the head.
1-8.
Put in 2 shots.
And then 2 shots?
No, I mean, is it 2 shells?
No, as in like we'll just take a shot each.
Okay, whatever.
Alright. Go first.
Okay. Wait, is it like Russian roulette style?
Back of the head.
Wait, no, wait.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there's 2 on it.
Oh no.
Oh! Okay,
But
so,
it could go off first or it could go off.
yeah. Think about it, Chris, you can get both of this.
I'm half blind. You can't. You can pull the trigger once.
No, but you can get... There, move it around a bit. Yes, there we go.
Ricochet. That's the least of my worries.
Are they right beside each other?
Yeah. It's fucking worse, isn't it?
Yeah.
This part isn't the nice part.
Just straight good. Love you, Chris. Oh.
What you must do.
It's always in the
Hey, if I know that's him, then I know I'm getting the next
You're
one.
always getting the next one now?
Oh.
Okay, yes, I got for sure. Cheers, Chris. No matter what, you were always getting them.
I know.
This turn, like.
Well, we're always getting a shot each anyway.
Yeah, I know, but you were always going to get
Fucking another Akbar.
Akbar.
Doesn't get any easier.
you don't know. Okay.
The anger in his eyes.
Almost there. Hurry up! Oh!
What does it seem small? It's like easy to do. Oh, that's